Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix when your PlayStation 5 is stuck on Please Wait. So let's go ahead and jump into the video right now. So when it's stuck on Please Wait, you can't do anything with your controller to back out of the screen. However, you can still turn off your PlayStation 5 by locating the power button on the front of the PlayStation and then holding this down. You will hear one beep initially, and then you'll hear a second beep, and you won't see a light display on your light bar here. Now let's turn our PlayStation 5 around and locate the power cord. And let's unplug this from the wall outlet for approximately 1 to 2 minutes. So let's unplug this, and then plug it back in. Now go ahead and see if this fixes the issue. If it doesn't, we may want to go ahead and start our PlayStation 5 into the safe mode menu. So to access the safe mode menu, you will need your PlayStation 5 completely turned off, so there's no light on the light bar here. Then go back to the power button and hold this down for about 8 seconds. You will hear that one beep initially again, and then about 5 seconds later you may hear another beep. Once you hear that second beep, go ahead and let go, and your PlayStation will start in the safe mode menu. And to operate the safe mode menu, you will need a cord plugged into the front of your console here, and then plug the other end into your DualSense controller. Otherwise you won't be able to operate the menu. Then press the PlayStation button and go on down to option number 5, rebuild database. Select this, then go to option number 2, rebuild database. And this will restart your PlayStation a few times, and it's going to give you an estimated amount of time of how long it's going to take. Now on this screen it says it's going to take you a few hours, but in my experience it'll only take you like 5 minutes to go ahead and complete this process. And if you are having any kind of like hard drive issues or copying or installing issues, this should go ahead and fix that as well. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If you did, go and leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixGaming.